Yes, Nashiketa, how are you? Can you hear
Fine,
me?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. How is the video quality? All good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So we'll wait for 5 minutes or so and then we'll start, right? Start with the session. Today we'll be focusing on the reading part again.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. So I'll come back on video in just about 5 to 10 minutes, right? 5 minutes at the most, not 10. Yes, so Nachiketa, let us start, right? So I'll start the session by telling you something about ESPI. Okay. So ESPI has been in this business of visa processing and helping students achieve their goal for over 18 years now. So we are a reputed global company. We have offices at 3 places in India, Vadodara, Anand and Bharuch. And we also have offices in Canada and the UK. And till date, more than 3,000 students have successfully got their eligibility scores in IELTS, TOEFL, PT, GMAT, GRE by taking coaching from us. And we have assisted more than 11,000 students till date to get their visas for their study destinations. So we are partnered with a lot of multiple international organizations like the IDP, IELTS, IITA, ICF, British Council. Okay, so this gives us the credence to serve our clients in a better way. Okay, so why should students choose us? So first of all, for us, each student is an individual and we provide to that student customized solution, means tailor-made. So we don't have a fixed band of solutions for everybody. Okay. So we look at the individual's needs and accordingly then we provide him solutions, whether it is for studying for all these courses or whether it is for choice of their colleges and universities or researching for scholarship. We continuously focus on innovation and that's why we have come up with our own study portal, our own learning management system. Okay, so those who get the admission also get access to this learning portal and can develop their own self by learning on their own. Okay, so we come to today's main topic of this webinar. So what are we going to do? So we have this 6-point agenda with us. We are going to learn the technique of skip reading. We are going to learn how we will generate the general idea, how to get the general idea of each paragraph. So that is one of the parts of the scheming technique. How do we get the general idea of the entire passage? So that is also part of scheming within 2 minutes, right? How to develop a mind map. So this is part of your scanning process. Scheming and scanning will be two skills which will be using extensively in your reading tests. Right? What are the dangers of keywords? Many students, they have this habit of locating only the keywords. Okay, and that's a dangerous technique. So why is it a dangerous technique? Because it has many pitfalls. So we'll discuss a little bit about that. Okay. Yes, welcome Dhruvesh. How are you? Good. We just commenced the session.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. And finally, quit referencing and learn to understand the meaning. So one of the dangers of keywords is we just refer to that word in the passage and give an answer. So we have to quit doing that because very few questions, only 20 questions in the entire IELTS, 18 to 20 questions will be based on keyword referencing. Okay, 15 questions with apart from that, other 15 questions will need you to understand the meaning of the question as well as the information. And 5 questions will be based on inference, means reading between the lines. So it is beyond the literal meaning. So we have to employ all of these skills to get a very good score. So anywhere in the presentation, you are free to ask me. Even at the end of the session, we'll be actually solving one passage today. You'll be welcome to shoot any questions that you have. So just let us see at the basic distinction between academic reading and general training. Okay. So the duration for both the tests is the same. General training is given by those who want to go abroad for job or say for PR. And the academic test for reading in IELTS is given by students who wish to get admissions abroad. So the universities, they require a good proficiency over English, and usually they are asking for the IELTS academic scores. Okay, so your reading test will be of 60 minutes. You won't be given any time to transfer your answer to the answer sheet, either in the paper-based test or in the computer-based test. Okay, so you have 3 passages in all, and 40 questions to solve. So we recommend that you spend not more than 20 minutes on each passage so that nothing is left out, right? So in the academic, there will be 3 passages, as I said, and in the general training also you will have 3 passages. Okay, and the passages in academic test are based on what research, actual news articles, factual data, analytical data, or descriptive data, or a review of project, something like that. Right? Whereas in the general training, the passages are a bit different. So the 2 passages, the first 2 passages, they are related to work. Okay, they are set in a work atmosphere. So you might have brochures, a travel brochure, or something like that. The third passage is just like an academic passage. So it is a bit simpler as compared to the academic test. Yes, welcome Nidhi. We have rolled on with the seminar and just completing the informatics part. Then we'll go on to the actual solving part, right? So you have to jump the train.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Okay. Fine. So what are the question types that you will get in the academic test? So all of you by now might be knowing this, right? Matching, information, heading, features, sentence endings, then multiple choice questions, and identifying information, true, false, or not given, identifying the writer's views and claims, that is yes, no, not given, classification, sentence completion, summary completion, note completion, table completion. So all these are the question types that you get, right? Answer in not more than 1 words, or not more than 2 words or 3 words, like that also you get questions, right? And these are the band scores, okay, based on your raw scores. So the number of answers you get correct are the raw scores. So 39, 40 answers correct is a 9 band, 37, 38 correct is 8.5, 35, 36 correct is 8, 33, 34 is 7.5, 30, 32, so 30, 31 or 32, 7, 27, 28, 29. Any of these 3 corrects you will get 6.5. So now we come to the main part. Okay, the 2 skills that you need for solving reading in IELTS, that is skimming and scanning. Okay, so the main purpose of skimming and scanning is speed reading. So there are 2 types of reading involved. One is intensive reading. Intensive reading means you read each and every word and understand the meaning. So if I am reading a novel, I'll be reading it intensively. Or if I am reading something which is useful for me, some research article, I'll be reading it intensively. But while solving the passage, I may not go for intensive reading depending upon the topic. If the topic interests me, then I may go for intensive reading, but then I have to keep up with speed because within 20 minutes I have to solve that passage. So if my reading speed is good, normally I have developed a good reading speed, then I may go for intensive reading because I'll be able to read the entire passage word to word within 2 minutes. But if my reading speed is not so much, then I have to employ skimming and scanning to read the whole passage within 2 minutes. Okay, so that is the goal. So I personally recommend that you should not go to tackling the questions before you have got some idea of the passage. Okay, what is the information in the passage? So that is needed. Okay, but you'll be using it all the times to give answers to your reading question. Okay. So people who know how to scheme and scan are flexible readers. Why flexible? Because they read according to their purpose and get the information they need quickly without wasting time. They do not read everything. Okay, and that is why their speed is fast. Skill lies in knowing what specific information is needed. I'll just hide the floating controls here. Knowing what specific information is to be read and which method to use. So scheming is one of the tools. Scheming refers to looking only for the general or main idea. Okay. With scheming, your overall understanding is reduced because you don't read everything. And we base a lot of understanding on assumption. That's why I say that if you have a lot of background knowledge, it is always a good thing. So every day see that you collect some background knowledge on many of the topics that are common to the IELTS test. Okay. So you read only what is important to your purpose. That is finding out the information that can lead us to the answer. Scheming takes place while reading and allows you to look for details in addition to the main ideas. Okay, so what do we do? How do we follow this process of scheming? So we read the title and quickly try to gauge an idea of what the passage is all about. Okay, read headings and subheadings again to get an idea of what the passage is all about, right? So the headings when taken together form an outline of the main topics covered in the passage, right? Notice any picture charts that again adds to the information that you already have. Okay, read the introduction. Then we go to each and every paragraph. So we read the introduction. Read only the first sentence of every paragraph. That sentence will usually be the main idea of that paragraph, or what we say the topic sentence. Okay, if you do not get enough information, okay, read the first sentence of each paragraph. Read one more sentence of that paragraph. Glance at the remainder of the paragraph if some important dates or some numbers or something is coming in that. So you just take a mental note of that. Notice any italicized or bold-faced words or phrases. These are the key terms. Okay. Look for ideas within the text of material. Okay. Such as numerals in the list or signal words as first, second, one major and all. And read the last paragraph. What is scanning? Scanning is another useful tool for speeding up your reading. Okay. What is the difference between scanning and scheming? Unlike scheming, scanning will look only for a specific fact or piece of information without reading everything. So we don't even go for the sentence reading. We directly try to locate the exact piece of information. So usually that piece of information is some keyword or a phrase or could be an idea that we are looking for. So if it is related to numbers, then it is quite easy to locate, scan and locate. But if it is regarding some phrases or similar phrases, then it is a bit tough. So you scan when you look for a favorite show listed. So suppose if you open up your TV browser, brochure and look out for all the shows, or if you are reading newspapers, in the newspapers they have on Sony, these are the shows and all. Now you're looking for one specific information. When is the Kapil Sharma show retelecasted? Okay, so that is what you are looking for. So in that, your eyes will be just wandering for the letters Kapil Sharma, where it is written. Okay, so every other information you will just ignore. Okay, that is the key fact for what scanning. All of you are able to see my video well, or is it breaking or hanging, anything like that?
No, sir, proper.
Yes, fine.
It is proper. Here it is visible properly.
So no video, you are not getting my video.
No, sir, we are able to see your screen.
So you can see the screen, but not my video.
No, sir, your video is also there.
Okay.
We are able to see you and also your screen, also, both.
Okay, fine. I hope I have resumed the recording part. I'll just check it.
No, sir, it is recording. The video is
Yes,
done.
yes. Good. It is recording. Fine. Because initially when nobody was there, I stopped the recording, and then as students started coming, I again resumed it. But one may happen to forget it at times. Okay. Okay, so scanning basically is locating specific information. Now, when we say information, it is not the keywords, remember. Okay, information could mean similar phrases. We are looking for that exact meaning. Okay. Scanning also allows you to find details and other information in a hurry. Okay. So how to scan? So first of all, you have to be very clear about what is the specific information that you are looking for. Okay, now see why information is called information, because it forms inside you. So there is an external stimuli and something goes inside you. Okay, so that bit that is formed, that is information. Okay, so suppose if you see a cloudy sky, what information takes place inside you? It may rain or it may not rain. If the clouds are dark, oh, it's surely going to rain. Get it? So that is information. So when you read something, you read the sentence or the question, and your brain gives you a signal that okay, this is the specific information that you are looking for, right? So we need to cultivate that art. Students don't do this, and that's why they don't score good in reading. Okay, many students they are very poor in this because they don't focus on this. It's not like their English is poor; they have enough English knowledge, but they have not developed the art of reading. Reading, they have not developed the art of reading, right? So that is the whole issue. Try to anticipate how the answers will appear and what clues you might use to help you locate the answer, right? So what does this mean? Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
but
sir.
the screen is blacked out.
Okay.
Now we can see.
So where are we here?
No, sir.
After this.
Yes.
Here. Oh,
Yes.
so what does this mean? So this is the brain map. So where we should know where the answer will be to a particular question. And we can create this brain map if you follow the technique which I am about to teach you. Okay. Many of the students might already be knowing it, right? In the scheming, we discussed that we quickly go through each and every paragraph. We just try to locate the topic and go ahead. So that creates a brain map, which information is in which paragraph, because you get a central idea of each paragraph. That is very important, because if you don't do it, you'll be wasting a lot of time in locating the answer. Okay. So if I think, oh, this was somewhere in the beginning, maybe it's second paragraph. So I will immediately go to the second paragraph. So if I find it, it's good that my brain is mapping the information quite accurately. If I don't get it in the second paragraph, I'm sure to get it in the paragraph above or in a paragraph below. So still my time is saved. I've seen students, they do, they go through the whole passage, each and every line, just to locate their answer. And by the time they complete the first passage, they are totally tired. Okay. And second passage, barely they are able to keep their eyes open because their eyes have done so much of work. And by the time the third passage comes, their brain simply shuts down. Okay. For this thing not to happen, what you can do is, yes, somebody entered the class. Yes, Hina, welcome to the session. Okay, we have completed some part of the session already, right? We were discussing about scheming and scanning to help you get better score in the reading test. Am I audible to you, Hina? Can you hear me well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I may just ask you, where are you from, Hina?
Baroda.
Okay, very good, very good. So we were discussing about skimming and scanning. Now we are coming to the end of it, and then we will be solving one actual passage where we'll practically apply skimming and scanning. Okay, so don't worry. In that practical application, I will tell you whatever you have missed out. Right?
Okay.
Okay. In the meantime, if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this mental mapping is very important, okay? And we will see how we can create this mental map effectively. Use heading and other aids that will help you identify which section, okay? So usually we get it like or the headings. Very rarely do in IITs do we have paragraphs headed, okay? Very rarely that happens. So this point is not actually much applicable, right? So, and selectively read and skip through the sections of the passage. This is also something you will learn when we practically do it. Okay. So let us come to our next schedule where we will solve. We will actually solve. So far, how much have you understood? Let me just take a small quiz. Okay. You have to give an answer whether it is skimming or whether it is scanning. Okay. First, so if I'm looking for a particular news article in a newspaper, what am I doing? Am I skimming or am I scanning? Hello, it's quiz time.
Scanning, sir.
Scanning or skimming? Suppose I'm looking for, a particular news for the share market. Like I'm looking for some company news in the newspaper. What am I doing?
Scheming, sir. I think.
Scheming,
Am I
sir.
skimming or
Skimming.
scanning?
Scheming.
Skim.
No, I am looking for a particular information. So that will be scanning. I will ignore everything else. I'll ignore everything else. But in the same newspaper, I am looking for some interesting news. Then what am I doing?
Scheming.
Then more I am doing is what? Skimming. Because I'll go through each and every news headline or read the caption, look at the photo. If I find it interesting, I'll read. Otherwise, I'll go ahead. So that is what just taking a general idea of each and everything and checking it with my interest level, whether it is interesting for me or no. Okay. If I'm looking for the meaning of a word in a dictionary, suppose I'm looking for the meaning of the word plethora in the dictionary. So what am I doing? Skimming or scanning?
Scheming, sir. I think you are
Skimming.
confused.
Scanning.
Scanning.
I'm looking for
Because we
exact
have to
plethora.
find a word,
Right? Find
particular
a
word.
word. I'm scanning that.
Scanning. Particular
Okay, sir.
word for
Understood. If you are finding a specific word, then scanning. And if you are looking for,
Just
I
randomly.
understood.
Anything. Then it is what?
Yes, sir.
Skimming.
I understood. I understood scanning is saying.
Okay. Okay. Get it? So that is skimming and scanning. Now, there is no watertight compartment. Sometimes you will be doing both the activities simultaneously to get your answers. Okay. But it is important for us to be clear of this concept. And that's why in all of the reading skill sessions, especially for IELTS, skimming and scanning is the main topic. Okay. Now we will apply that skimming and scanning. Okay. So see, this is a passage which was asked in actual IELTS examination. So we will solve this passage. Okay. And now you will be applying whatever we did till now. We are going to now apply it. Okay. So first what we need is we need to read the heading. We need a general idea of the whole passage. What is this passage all about? Okay. So see this, as soon as you are given something to read, this is the first question that the brain asks. What is it about? Okay. But if all of you are from Gujarat, okay, many of the students will be having this question, but they will ask it in Gujarati. આ શું છે? આ શું કહેવા માંગે છે? You get it? So once you do that with English, you are given the passage in English and you are asking yourself a question in Gujarati, means you are forcing yourself to translate English to Gujarati. If you do that, you are in a very dangerous zone. Okay. Getting 6.5 band score will be very difficult for you. Tough. Because translation is a tough process. To be a master translator, I need to be master in two languages. So if I want to be a master translator of English to Gujarati, I need to be a master in English as well as Gujarati, which is a very difficult job. Okay, it is not impossible, but it is very difficult. Get it? So what you have to do is you have to start asking yourself questions in English. Simple. What? What is it? What is it about? Okay, what is the passage trying to say? Let me see. Rainwater harvesting. Rainwater, water that falls when it is raining. Harvesting. Harvesting is for farms. How that water harvesting? Your brain will
Yes,
give you answer.
yes. Rainwater harvesting is storing water for household purpose, storing
Yes.
rainwater for
So whatever
it
rain
is
falls on
it is
rooftops, usually that water goes waste. So why
yes,
not collect that water? So you
and
see,
good
this is
quality
the
of water.
advantage. This is the advantage of background knowledge. If you have background
Yes,
knowledge, then immediately whole passage becomes clear, and you can directly go to attacking the questions. Okay, so your time will be saved if you have some extra knowledge, general knowledge, background knowledge. Get it? But even if you break it up, then also the idea will come to you. Now you don't have to spend a lot of time. You have to be quick. Who wins IELTS? The person who is quick, not a person who is always correct in practice. No, person who is quick in practice, he will definitely be getting the best out of his reading skills, his or her reading skills. Then see, this is subheading. All this given in italicized is what? Subheading. So we will also read that. For 2 years, southern Sri Lanka suffered a prolonged drought, described by locals as the worst in 50 years. Some areas didn't see a successful crop for 4 or 5 consecutive seasons. Livestock died. Water in the wells dropped to dangerously low levels. Children were increasingly malnourished, and school attendance has fallen. An estimated 1.6 million people were affected. Okay, so we got it. Why they want this whole passage is going to be about Sri Lanka and what they did for what? Rainwater harvesting. Okay, now how many paragraphs are there? See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J paragraphs. So that is how much number, how many numbers up to J, A, B, C, D, 4, E, F, G,
Nine,
eight,
sir.
9 paragraphs. And what we are going to do, we are just going to read the first sentence, okay, and the last sentence. Get it? Or maybe 2 sentences in the end and a little bit in the beginning. Okay. If not one sentence, then one and some sentence to just get an idea. So we are not going to read the any other part. Okay, this much we are going to skip. Okay, all this we are going to skip. So see, just 9 to the 18 sentences. How much time should it take for us to go through 18 sentences? Nidhi, how much time will it take for you? You have to read only 18 sentences.
5 minutes.
5 minutes is too much time. 18 sentences. Now see, why Nidhi said 5 minutes? Because she might be thinking that I have to understand these 18 sentences. No, you don't have to understand. You just need a spark in your brain. Okay, an image in your brain. Okay, a general idea. We don't want specific idea. What we want? General idea. Now, Nidhi, how much time will it take?
3 minutes.
Still too much because we need to complete this process within 2 minutes. Okay, so if it is taking you more time, that means you should start reading some extra articles in English so that your reading speed builds up. Okay, don't have to give more than 2 minutes, but if it takes 3 minutes, it is okay. Okay. So Muthukandia is a village in Moneraga. If you cannot pronounce it, is okay. Okay, because nobody is going to come and check your pronunciation. Moneragala. Oh, students are coming in, but they are coming in so late. Somebody else joined the class. Welcome. Who has joined the class? Mayur. How are you, Mayur?
I am fine, sir.
Welcome to the class. So the presentation part is done. Okay, now we are actually on the solving part. So here I am teaching how to apply scheming and scanning to get
Yes.
accurate answers in reading. That is our main topic.
Yes, sir.
So see, to save time, what I will be doing is I will be quickly reading this, but then I will ask one or two students about the general idea. I don't want the exact idea. Okay, I don't want translation. I don't want a long explanation. Okay, I just want a quick 1 to 3 word general idea. Okay, so Muthukandia is a village in Moneragala district, one of the drought-stricken areas in the dry zone of southern Sri Lanka, where half of country's population of 18 million lives. Okay. Many local industries closed down and villagers headed for towns in search of work. So I have to read something more because I couldn't understand anything. The rainfall in the area varies greatly from year to year, often bringing dry spells. So drought stricken, dry spell. Okay, so many workers are living. Okay, so Nachiketa, what is the general idea? 2 to 3 words. What is the general idea?
This is a village in southern Sri Lanka that is the village has drought related problems and there is no rain.
No rain. Okay, good. Yes. Hina, what is the general idea? Not exact. Okay, general. What is this paragraph about? Hina, are you with us? You can use any language, okay? If not English, if you want to give an answer in Gujarati, fine, no issue. General idea, not specific idea, general idea. Yes, Nidhi, can you answer? What is the general idea?
This is a village, and half of million population are facing this drought situation in Sri Lanka.
Very good. And what has happened because of that? Many industries closed down, villagers headed for towns in search of work. Okay. Villagers of Muthukandia arrived in the 1970s as a part of government resettlement scheme. Each family was given 6 acres of land with no irrigation. Okay. Women and children may spend several hours each day walking up to 3 miles to fetch water for drinking, washing, and cooking. Typical, right? Where there is less water, people have to walk long distances just to get water. So that is also the condition here when they came. No irrigation. Right? In 1998, important. Whenever you have these years and dates, it is important. Okay, let your brain just note it. Okay, 1998, somewhere in the beginning, third paragraph. Communities in the district discuss water problems with Practical Action South Asia. So it's some agency, okay, but not a government agency. Practical Action South Asia, private agency, right? What followed was a drought mitigation initiative based on low cost rainwater harvesting. Okay, so and so. It uses tanks to collect and store rain channeled by gutters and pipes as it runs off the roofs of houses. It uses tanks to collect, okay, rain, okay, as it runs off roofs of houses. Despite an indigenous tradition of rainwater harvesting and irrigation system going back to the 3rd century BC, policymakers in modern times have often overlooked the value of such technology. And it is only recently that officials have taken much interest in household level structures. Okay. So some topic like what is the government attitude, something like that, right? And practical action, South Asia's project deliberately looked at different approach, building up skills, use of users of the tanks, create structures. Okay, okay. Yes. So Dhruvesh, what is the general idea of this paragraph? Hello. Are we connected? All of us? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dhruvesh, what is the general idea?
General idea is about the rainwater harvesting and irrigation system in 3rd century.
Okay, fine. So
And
some
technology.
ancient, some past history of rainwater,
Yes.
and now the government has taken interest, and what they are, this agency is talking about building up local skills. Short, okay? You don't need detailed idea, just short skills. The community of Muthu Kandia was involved throughout. Community was involved throughout. 2 meetings were held, analyzed water problems, developed plans, and selected the rainwater harvesting technology. Fine. 2 local masons received several days on the job training in a building 5,000 liter household storage tanks. In building the 5,000 liter household storage tanks. So somebody got training also. During the driest months, household with tanks may have up to twice as much water. Their water is much cleaner too. Okay. So just getting a general idea. Okay. So Nidhi, what is the general idea here?
How the harvesting use
How the
helpful for
harvesting,
them.
what did they do? So everything is in this paragraph. Okay. Nanda Vati, a widow in the village, has taken full advantage of opportunities that rainwater harvesting has brought to her family. She began growing few vegetables. Okay. She says that her children no longer complain so much of diarrhea, and her daughter Sanda Mali has more time for schoolwork. Good. So, what is this passage about, Nachiketa? This paragraph about?
that keep name the woman who has taken advantage of the opportunities, and rainwater is very clean, so no health problem. Well, by using rainwater is very beneficial to health.
So this paragraph is giving specific example of a widow in the village,
Okay.
right? So all that
And,
information, what she
and
got
we-
out of it.
And rainwater is very clean and no problem. It is very beneficial to health.
Right.
Sir, can we say like effective implement of rainwater harvesting?
Yes,
Example.
definitely you can say. So see, in short, whatever idea you get is the proper idea. Don't ever think whether I am thinking is right or wrong. That is not important at this stage. Okay. What is important at this stage is we should be able to get a general idea. So the brain has some information. Okay, where what idea is and what not. Yes, Sifat, how are you? Welcome.
I'm
to
fine,
the
sir.
Welcome to the session, but we have already progressed quite a lot. We started at about 5:10, right? So first in our presentation, we saw what is scheming and scanning and how we can do it. Now we are actually applying it in a passage, right? So where are you from, Sifat?
I'm from Gujarat.
Okay, you are from Gujarat. Very good, very good. Welcome. Which city, if I may ask?
Valsad.
Valsad. Okay. Fine. So what the main scheming technique is, Sifat, that we don't read the whole passage, but we just read the beginning part and the ending part to get a general idea. Okay, so that much we are doing right now. Then solving has not yet started. So you have entered at the right time. Okay, now next paragraph. In the short term and on a small scale, project has clearly been a success. It is talking about success of the project. Challenge lies in making initiatives sustainable and expanding coverage. And what is the ending? Skills required to build and maintain were taught fairly easily can be shared by the two trained masons, now finding work with other development agencies. So that training is also positive and the project has also become successful. That is the general idea. Okay. The non-structured elements of the work, especially financial and organizational, present a bigger challenge. So non-structured element of the work. So getting the tanks made and channeling the water from the rooftop, all that is fine. Training and everything is fine. Now, what is bigger challenge is the financial and organization. To build the tank, you need money. Okay, how will you organize the manpower? How will you organize the material? So this paragraph is talking about that. Okay. Recovering costs from interventions that do not generate income will be a difficult proposition if the process is explained more fully at the outset. Okay. So this is all, this passage is talking about what? The financial aspect. Mainly it is talking about money. How the money could be used for the project. Okay. Muthakandia initiative was planned as a demonstration project. Show that community-based drought mitigation through rainwater was feasible. Okay. Other organizations began their own projects. Feasibility of introducing larger tanks is being re-investigated. Okay, whether we can use more bigger tanks. Okay. This tank was of 5,000 liters that they are making currently. Now they are thinking about the possibility of bigger tanks. However, a lot of effort and patience are needed to generate interest, develop the skills, and organize the management structures needed to implement sustainable so and so and so. Okay. Without external support, rapidly and spontaneously without external support. Okay, fine. So we got the general idea, right? So Nachiketa, what is the general idea all about?
And it is in a village, which has drought-related problems. So a program of rainwater harvesting was introduced to help to get relief from rainwater harvesting, get relief from drought-related problems.
Right. So all about rainwater harvesting. Dhruvesh, you got the general idea? I don't know the exact idea. Okay, general idea.
Yes, sir.
Now see, we have to give answer based on the general idea itself. Okay. So now comes the main part, how to become accurate. So first step is read the question carefully, then based on the general idea, give an answer. Give an answer. So that is known as prediction. And then go into the passage again and check for the evidence. Now you will be doing what? Scanning, because you need specific information. You know what place you are going to, and you know what exact information you are looking for, right? So now this exercise all of us will do one by one. Okay. So for what you have to do first is read the question and give your answer. I will help you in finding the answer from the passage, finding the evidence, whether we are right or wrong. So if you are right, you will get the exact evidence. Okay. If you are wrong, doesn't matter because you will get the correct answer. So it's a win-win situation. Right or wrong doesn't matter. You win in the end. Okay. But key is what? Quickly giving an answer. Just reading the question and quickly giving an answer. That is the key. Okay. So who will take the first question? Nidhi, take the first question.
What is the major way for local people to make barely support of living in Muthukandia village?
What will be your answer? No more than 3 words. If you think you are trying to be correct, don't try to be correct. Give an answer. Major way for local people to make barely support of living in the village. Maybe
Well,
WELL? Well,
no, sorry. Kuo.
what?
Gujarati में
WELL, well of water. No, they talking about support of living. How do they live? Based on what? With a well, will they be able to live with the well?
no.
Dhruvesh, any answer? Okay, fine. We'll take your answer. Well, your answer is WELL. Well, fine. Dhruvesh, Nachiketa, do you have any other answers? Deepak, people will live on what? Local people to make barely support of living. Okay, fine.
Livestock, sir.
Life support. Okay. Dhruvesh, any answer?
Livestock.
Crop, rice crop. Okay, good. Okay, let us read. Where will this answer be? First paragraph?
Yes, sir. First
What is
paragraph.
the exact information we are trying to find? How do they live? How do they live? Okay. So, does the first paragraph have that answer? How they are living? Okay. Support living. Where is that? Support
I
word
think,
is
sir,
here. Support word is here. But it is it
they
a
labor in sugarcane. They labor in nearby sugarcane. I think, sir, sugarcane plantation.
Okay, see where is this sentence starting? Because crop production, which relies entirely on rainfall, is insufficient to support. Insufficient to support. What is insufficient? Crop production
Yes, sir.
is insufficient to support most families. Okay. And what is the statement? Major way of local people to make barely support of living.
Working in
What?
sugarcane. I think, sir, it has written sugarcane plantation.
Answer will be crop production.
Barely, yes, sir, barely and insufficient. I think in the way you are saying.
Answer will be what? Crop production. See,
Yes,
because
sir,
crop
barely.
production, so this is extra information. Crop production relies on is insufficient to support most families. Village economy relies on men and women working as day laborers in nearby plantation. But their main thing is what? Crop production. But because it is insufficient, that's why they go and work in the sugarcane. So crop production will be the answer. See again
Yes,
the
sir,
question.
we can take here barely and insufficient. Just say
Yeah,
barely and
barely word is
barely
there.
and insufficient and same.
Insufficient and barely are the same. Very good. Okay. Support of living. So that word is also there. See, right? Where is that word? Here.
Next paragraph.
Insufficient to support most families. Get it? So the answer will be crop production. So write down everybody. If you have a notebook, you write down, right? Crop production. So the first answer is crop production. Okay. Dhruvesh, read the next question. Where
Yes, sir. Where can adult work make extra money from the daytime?
your answer quickly.
In the field, sir.
Very good. Okay, in the field. Same sentence which we saw as the answer. See. Tell me, what is the answer?
Sugarcane plantation, sir. No.
Yes, sugarcane plantation, right? See, where is asked? Where? Where can adult workers make extra money in the daytime? Where? In the sugarcane plantation, right?
Yes.
Village economy relies on men and women working as day laborers in the nearby sugarcane plantation. Okay, so answer will be sugarcane plantations. So write down. Okay, we have to write down in not more than 3 words. Now sugarcane will be taken as one word.
And plantation three. Second one.
Okay, plantations will also do, but specific is sugarcane because that word is used. And we have to answer in not more than 3 words. So we can write sugarcane plantation. No more than 3 words. Yes. Nachiketa, read the third question.
What has been done to supply water for daily household life? Well,
What is your answer?
the WELL.
WELL, well. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Anybody, any other answer? What has been done to supply water for daily household life? Well, okay. Let us just check where that answer is.
Sir, that I think that same paragraph. I think it was there.
Same paragraph?
Yes, sir. 3 wells have been dug to provide
Yes.
domestic.
3 wells have been dug to provide domestic water. Very good. So what will you write as answer? Well, wells or 3 wells?
Mm, 3 wells, sir. I think
3 wells.
according to the paragraph, 3 wells. You have to
Right,
write
so
according
write
to the
down.
paragraph. Then
Write
3
down.
wells.
Right.
Sir, we
Write
have to
down.
be specific. Sir, what is written in the paragraph, we have to write that only.
Yes, exactly. As per the passage, right?
Yes.
We have to write the answer from the passage. So 3
Yes,
wells.
sir. Yes, sir.
So write down 3 wells. Yes. Who is in the class now? People are coming and going like a rotation, like a revolving door.
No one, sir, is interested, I think.
I don't know, but what is it they are expecting? What else should we include? Nidhi?
Jokes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can.
Your turn. Come on, we'll just finish it up fast.
Yes.
Your turn.
In which year did the plan of a new project to lessen the effect of drought begins? In 1998.
Very good. Okay, let us see whether that is the right
Oh,
answer.
third paragraph, sir.
C
Third
or
paragraph.
D?
Yes, in which year? 1998.
Third C paragraph.
In 1998, communities discussed what followed. First discussed and what followed was an initiative based on low-cost harvesting technology already used in Sri Lanka and elsewhere in the region. Okay, so what followed means some action was taken when in 1998. So I agree that will be the answer. So write down 1998. Okay. Now who is there? Dhruvesh.
Yes, sir.
Fifth
In which
one.
year, fifth one, where do the gutters and pipes collect rainwater from?
Your answer.
Uh, gutter and pipes collect rainwater from.
Don't think too much. I hate it when you
Sir, can
think
I
too much.
answer? Sir, can I answer?
Yes.
Roofs of household.
Rooftop. Okay, rooftop. Very good. Let us check whether that is the answer or not. You get it, Dhruvesh? You have to think quickly.
Yes,
Because if
sir.
you don't force yourself to think quickly, that means you will not read the question carefully. So you will have to read the question again and again. That is a waste of time.
Yes, sir.
And it also plays havoc with your confidence. So in the very first attempt when you're reading the question, read it so that you're ready to give that answer. Okay. So that
Yes.
you will be free from rereading again and again. Okay, so let us check it. So rooftop is the answer given by Nachiketa. We are trying to find the proof Is that the answer? Where is it collected? See this line.
House.
It uses tanks to collect and store rain channeled by gutters and pipes as it runs off the roofs of houses. So what answer will you write?
Roofs of houses.
Roofs of houses.
Yes, roofs of houses. Roofs of houses. Okay. Now, whose turn it is? Nidhi or Nachiketa? Whose turn?
Nine, sir.
Okay, go
What
ahead.
helps the family obtain more water for domestic needs than those relying on boys and pumps?
And then those relying on wells and
What
ponds.
helps the family obtain more water?
Yes.
Tanks.
Tanks. Very good. Let us look at the which paragraph will have it somewhere here. D or E, right? Oh, household with tanks may have up to twice as much water, and their water is much cleaner too.
Sir, the upper paragraph also we can read. Evaluation so clear. No, sir, that only. Upper paragraph, sir, upper sentence.
Here's
Sorry,
upper
upper.
sentence.
Evaluation so clearly that household.
Yes, evaluation show clearly that household with rainwater storage tanks.
Rainwater storage.
More
tank.
water for domestic needs than house water relying entirely on wells and ponds. So yes, this is the exact reference. Considerably more water. So rainwater storage tanks. So what should we write? Only tanks or rainwater storage tanks?
No, sir, rainwater storage tank. 3 words.
Let us write rainwater, but that will be 4 words or 1 word. Rainwater
Sir,
storage.
rainwater is one, no, I think.
Are you sure? Is it? Rainwater is 1 word, right? Rainwater
Rainwater
storage
storage tank.
tanks.
Yes, sir.
Good. So we are also getting the proof. Okay, good. Now whose turn is it? Yes, no, not given. Okay. So this is a very tricky question because it is actually true, false, not given. But they said yes if the statement is true, no if the statement is false, and not given if the information is not given. They have twisted it. Though it is true, false, not given, they have converted it into yes, no, not given. Okay, but doesn't matter. You have to read these instructions quite carefully. Okay, so if they are asking you yes, no, not given, if you write true, false, not given, all the answers where you are giving true and false will be all wrong. Okay, so be careful. You have to write yes, no, or not given. Okay, whose turn is it? Nidhi?
I am. Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Most of the government's actions and other programs have somewhat failed. No.
No means they have succeeded. Which paragraph?
Not given,
Government's
sir.
action. We are talking about government's action. Which paragraph has government action?
Fourth or third paragraph. Fourth paragraph, I think.
Yes. The policy makers are given, but nothing about officials are given.
Sir, government and other programs have, however, been top down in their
Government and other
conception.
programs have been top down in their conception and application, installing tanks free of charge without providing training to build.
Not given, sir, answer.
Oh yes, not given because
But sir, we cannot conclude that this plan has already, this harvesting is succeed.
this done by this has succeeded. That is clearly given. But what government did, whether that has succeeded or not, that is not given. Government and other programs have been top down in their concept, installing
Not
tanks
failed,
free of
sir.
charge without
Not
providing training to build and maintain them. So whether the government's program has been successful or not? According to me, it is not given. What will you like to write, Nidhi?
Yes, sir. They don't have clear cut mentioned that it is, but sir, in example also they have told that it is succeed.
But whose program? It is not the government's program. It is this agency's program.
Yes, sir.
Where was this? See here.
Fourth
Some
paragraph.
patron after that in next
The
line.
project has clearly been a success. But which project? This project. Now, this was not a government project.
Okay, sir. Got it. So not given.
Get it? Because see, the practical action South Asia, it contributed the rest, including cement and all. Just over half the cost was provided by the community. So this is not a government agency, right?
Yes, sir. Got it.
No word like Sri Lankan government or local government, nothing like that. So I will go with not given. Seventh will be not given. In the exam, in your answer sheet, write full, okay? Not given. Don't write NG. Here you can write NG, but in the actual test, you have to write not given. Yes, whose turn is it?
Nations were trained for constructing parts of rainwater harvesting system. I think, sir, yes.
Yes. Okay, Masons were trained. Yes. Okay, where is the
Sir,
proof?
for correction. For that paragraph only, sir. That paragraph. Fourth paragraph.
Yes.
I think, sir, I think it is not written for. Yes, we can.
Two local Masons received several days on the job training in building the tanks. Right?
Yes, sir, we can tell that. Parts also it is written,
Yes.
including tanks, pipes, that are parts
Yes.
of the rainwater.
So they received training, right? Masons were trained constructing parts of the rainwater. So building that tank is part of the rainwater harvesting system, right? So they were trained. So you have got the proof also that your answer is right. Predicted answer is right. Okay, whose turn is it?
The cost of rainwater harvesting was shared by the local villagers and the local government.
Okay, local villagers and the local government. We just read it somewhere, right? Something was given, half was this, and yeah, here, see.
For the community in the form of material and skilled labor.
Half the cost was provided by the community. Practical action contributed the rest, including cement, transport, and payment for skilled labor. And the sentence statement is
Half of the community and half of the
Of
government.
government and community. So
cost
no.
of rainwater was shared by local villagers and the local government.
Not, sir.
Not given.
Nachiketas is not given.
No, sir. I think
No.
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 No, sir.
Dhruvesh, no will be the answer. Because that practical action, South
No, sir,
Asia
in
is not
question,
government.
as in question they give the half of the information is correct and half of the
Ah,
information is wrong. So at the time answer either no or false.
yes. So
Okay,
here you
sir.
will have to write no. You cannot write
Okay,
false,
sir.
right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
they have
I can
defined it. They
understand.
have twisted it.
Yes,
But you have to write yes. False, but you have to write no.
yes, sir.
Yes, Nidhi, welcome to the session. You
Yes,
are
sir.
entering at the end. Are you there or left?
I am here, sir. I told or answer.
Oh yeah, you are here. Then somebody entered some galaxy, someone.
No. I am Nidhi
Yes,
only,
sir.
sir.
Oh, I thought like see, your name was last, so I thought you entered. But somebody entered and left. I don't know. Okay, strange. I still don't understand how to conduct these webinars with students have this attitude, coming and going, coming and going. What are they expecting? Okay, whose turn is it?
Mine, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Uh, tanks increase both the amount and quality of the water for domestic use. True. Yes.
Yes, we just read it somewhere, right? That
Yes.
ending one and
In
where
example,
uh,
last last sentence.
last sentence, right? Here. Their water is cleaner too. During the driest month, have twice as much water available, and their water is much cleaner too. Clear cut answer, right? Amount, both
Amount and quality both.
amount and quality of water for domestic use. Yes. Whose turn is it?
To send her daughter to school, a widow had to work for a job in rainwater harvesting scheme. Yes, sir. I think yes answer. Yes, will be the
Yes.
answer.
Okay.
That widow women who worked in
See, work
rainwater.
job in the scheme. Okay. To send the daughter to school, that widow example, right here.
No given, sir. I think it is
What?
not given.
Not given.
Yeah, sir, rainwater harvesting scheme. How can we tell that?
She did not work in the scheme, but she got the advantage. She began growing few vegetables. Income from selling this helped her open a small shop. This increased her earnings still further. Apply
Sir,
a
no.
loan to install solar power plant. Thinking of building another tank. Grow more vegetables. No longer have to fetch water from the village in the early morning.
No,
No
sir. I
longer.
think no.
No will be the answer, right?
Yes, sir. She is not taking
In the
job, but
scheme, she got the benefits out of the scheme.
not. But she is not doing job there.
Yes. I agree. No will be the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
To send her daughter, she did not have to work in the harvesting scheme. Okay, she got the benefit of it because of it she is sending it. So this is after that 5 difficult question where you need some inference, right?
Yes, sir.
So yes. Hello.
No, sir. I am. Yeah, this giving this answer. Yes, sir. This is one of from difficult answer that.
Yes, difficult answer.
I
Because
think the answer will be no, no.
no, yes, I agree. The answer will be no. Because
Yes.
because of the system, she got water,
Benefit.
she grew
Benefit.
vegetables. From that money, she opened a shop. She got more money, and she bought a solar power plant, more income. Now she's going to make bigger tank, more vegetables, and because of that, she is able to send the daughter to school. So she was not working in the harvesting scheme.
Yes,
So see,
sir.
for true false not given, usually no and not given is a big problem. So what do is we break the sentence into its parts. So every sentence will have at least 2 to 3 parts, and then we ask questions to those parts. Get it? And then we will be able to get the accurate answer. To send a daughter to school, is it given? Yes, it is given that she did something. Widow had to work for a job? No. The widow didn't work job. She started a business, right? So no. Did she work in the rain water harvesting scheme? No. She grew vegetable and sold them. So no. Get it? So then the answer will come to no. Okay. Get it? So you have to break the sentence into its parts so that the understanding will be better. Okay, whose turn is it?
Household benefits begin to part of the maintenance or repairs. I think, yes, sir.
Benefited begin
Benefit
to
into
part
of
the maintenance or repair.
repairs.
The household benefit. So what is your answer?
Yes, sir.
They begin to take part in the maintenance or repairs. They did the maintenance on their own. Right.
Yes.
So where is that part?
So we have to care for maintenance and repair work.
Yes, maintenance and repairs. See. A revolving fund was set up with households that had already benefited, agreeing to contribute a small monthly amount to pay for maintenance and repairs and new tanks. However, it appears that the revolving fund concept was not fully understood. It has proved difficult to get households to contribute. Recovering costs from interventions that do not generate income will be a difficult proposition. Okay, so what will you give as answer? Yes, no, or not given?
Yes, sir.
You will say yes,
Yes.
Not given.
I will say not given, or it can also go in no. Household benefited began to take part in the
No,
maintenance
sir.
or repairs. They did
Answer
not
will be
take
no.
part. Whether they took part or not, that was the idea of the revolving fund. Where was it? Which paragraph? Here, right? Revolving fund was set up and agreeing to contribute. However, contradictory idea is given. Revolving was not fully understood, proved difficult to get households to contribute. So I think the answer will be no. Clear-cut answer is not given. Right?
Not
Whether
given, sir.
not
Part
given.
it is not given. Began to part, I think it is confused. I am confused. Even not given and no.
Yes, because they did not. This is again of the difficult type because you have to use an inference, right? See, a fund was set up, benefited agreeing to contribute to for maintenance and repairs. However, revolving fund concept was not understood, proved difficult to get households to contribute. So nobody is ready to contribute. And here it says that household began to contribute.
Not
Household
given.
benefited.
Hmm.
I will go with no. If I am wrong, I will understand why I am wrong. But I will go with no. Okay, whose turn is it? After Dhruvesh?
My
Yes, go ahead.
training two machines at the same time is much more preferable to training a single one.
Yes, training two masons is preferable than training a single one. So training two masons was here somewhere, right? Two local masons received training. Is anywhere mentioned training two
Not
is
given.
better than one?
Not given.
Not given, right? Not. So see, this is the danger of keywords. If you just look at the keywords, two mentioned there, two mentioned here, training there, training here. Yes, it is given. Yes, it is true. No, you have to understand the meaning, right? That is the danger of what? Keywords. You cannot simply give your answer from the keywords. You have to understand the meaning. So to understand the meaning, it is good to break the statement into its part. But then you should also understand that two machines at the same time preferable to training a single one, more preferable to training a single one. So two machines were trained, but whether it is preferable than training a single one or not, nothing like this is given. Okay, so we will write not given. Okay. Now let us check the answers. Here are the answers. Can you see the answers?
Yes, sir. First one is right. Second one is also right.
Right,
Third one is also right.
right.
Fourth one is also right. Fifth right. Sixth also right, sir. Seventh right. Yes, no. Yes, no. Sir, 12th I think it is wrong.
Yeah, 12th one
12th is wrong.
wrong. We wrote no and they are saying yes. Whose answer
Can you
was
scroll?
yes? Benefited began to part
Mine.
of the maintenance or repair.
Yes,
Yeah, very
sir.
good, Dhruvesh. Right?
Sir, can you explain it how?
Very good. See, Nachiketa, we need inference, but sometimes we also go in over inference. So it's a very, tightrope walk or walking on the sword's edge. It's a kind of that. So see here they say difficult to contribute, but somewhere already contributing. Proved difficult to get households to contribute. Okay, and they agreeing to contribute a small monthly amount. Okay,
Okay,
family
sir.
household that already benefited, agreeing to contribute. However, not fully understood, proved difficult to get households to contribute, but some must already be contributing. Not all are
Yes,
contributing,
yes.
but some must already be contributing. But here this
Understood,
was
sir.
what?
Understood, sir. Now you told, then I now understood. Very well.
So sometimes we have to take literal meaning, sometimes we have to go into inference, but when we are going into inference, we have to be doubly sure that are we on the right track or are we misreading something. Okay, so that will happen. Well done, Dhruvesh. So Nidhi, Nachiketa and Dhruvesh, how
Yes,
was the
sir.
session? Enjoyed it or not?
Yes, sir. Understood a lot.
Yes, sir. Understood and enjoyed.
This time we were more
Initially, yes, no,
accurate.
not given.
Okay, so the most difficult part, right? Though this passage did not have an MCQ, I'll send the next passage for you as a homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So see, this is the case. It was a free for all webinar. I don't think the PPT was also any longish kind of a PPT. It was simple.
No, sir. 10 to 12.
What
And this
Nachiketa?
year it was not a longer PPT also.
And I think the detail was also little bit. It was not that anybody would get bored.
And sir, we understood a lot of things. Now it will be beneficial for answering the questions in
Yes,
reading.
it becomes easy, solving becomes easy. See, even if you get one wrong in each passage, you'll still be able to score 37. Now at 37, the band score will be very good, right?
8.5.
Yes, so if you get 37 correct, then how much you will get?
8.5, sir. Here it is written, I think 8.5.
So 8.5.
No, 8.
So still don't understand. Sometimes it just, I am clean bowled by the attitude of students, what they expect. Two students who were unknown, they joined, but then they left midway without talking, without saying anything. Nidhi, is my English too difficult? Nidhi, Dhruvesh?
No, sir. It is acceptable. We
Anybody
can
can
understand. We can understand very well.
Right, right. Fine. Let us see how things go on. Like what
Tomorrow class will be on time, 7 or 8.
today, then if we have already done this, would you want with the
Tomorrow.
regular classes?
No, sir.
Tomorrow will be there.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow at
7
same
to 8.
time, 7 to 8.
Tomorrow listening or sir, anything else?
Because you were not there, so we did not do the listening strategy one. Okay, so if you want to do the listening strategy one, we can do it, or I can explain the strategy in the listening test itself.
Yes, sir. Anything which is
Okay,
yes, sir.
there is one strategy lesson also for listening where they have made it into different parts, and we can better understand what is contextual listening, how to get into the context, so that listening is there. So if you want the strategy lesson, then tomorrow we can start at 5:30 to 6:30 and get that strategy lesson done. Is it okay?